Hello everyone, welcome back. Now this is tutorial to how to set up the Next.js inside your project here. Setting up a React project. Okay. Before installing the React app inside your application, you must here verify installation means you have already the Node.js, you have already npm, then you have to create React project with which. Okay. So this is the logic. Okay, before installing your React app, you have to make sure that inside your systems have the Node.js and npm. If you don't have, then that you have to install. We have already Node. Okay, so here you have to verify that cmd and then make sure here you have to verify if you don't have. Okay, so you see something like number. It means we have the Node.js and then npm space -v in a version. So we have already Node.js and npm. Okay, so here if you don't have that, then you have to go to the here Node.js and download. Okay, from here you have to install the Node.js. Okay, so you have to install the Node.js. We have already did, and you have to just simply click on this. Okay, Windows installer. Here, first of all, what you have to do, you have to install. Okay, I mean you have to first download. Next is by clicking on this button, and then after download, you have to install. Okay, after installation, you got it your Node.js and npm. Okay, here about npm. When you install the Node.js, so here npm come with the Node.js. Here, no need to install separately npm. This npm you got with this Node.js. So whenever you install the Node.js, then automatically you have the npm. Okay, so this is about Node.js and npm before installing the React, and then go to the here site and then React install. You see in the official website how to install it, and this is recommended by the Google. Okay, make sure that you have already Node and npm, and then here you have to run the following command in your terminal to initialize a new project using the Vite template creator, or you can change to your preferred project name. Cd then my React npm install npm run dev. So let me start here. So make sure that here this is you have to create a folder on the desktop, and we have already this is React. Okay, so you have to also create this React folder. You know how to create it. Just here new, then folder name. Okay, in my case it is React, so you have to create your folders. Okay, that is React, and then you have to import in the VS Code. So close, and here in the VS Code make sure add to folder to the workspace, and I think here React. So this folder you need to import, and then here create in the new terminals. Got it? Okay, now let me copy this and then paste inside it is cd, and then you have to go to this particular folder, that is a React, means this one, and then here what you have to do after create a React project with which, okay, well, whatever you call it, so you have to call like Vite or Vite. Okay, so this is after that. Here I am going to create that copy command here in React while latest, and then inside here, okay, inside cmd, then paste it, and here I am going to just put simple name of my applications here inside the React folder, means this is your React folder. Inside it here you have to set up the React.js. Just click and wait for the here installation. Just enter you have to, and then select the framework Vue React, Free React Lite. So okay, and what you will select here, I'm going to select here this one React. Okay, then here after that enter, and you'll see TypeScript React compiler, and then what you have to choose. I'm going to choose JavaScript plus React compilers. This one, okay. Here, click and install with implement start now. Yes, now it is installing dependency with npm. So you have your folder name I React app inside React, okay. Then here we have to open the URL shown in the terminals. You have to wait for it, and then why here we have chosen the Vite, because it is a fast development server and the instant update and the lightweight and modern, and it is recommended by the Reactjs. Okay, it is taking some time, so you have to wait for it. Okay, this is my React dev, and then this is your local network. Make sure that is fine. Okay, this is 5173. Okay, then we will open this URL in the terminal. Here you have to just click, and then it is a project. I'm going to copy this in the browser, cut, and then this is my browser, paste it here, and you see here you have your get started, edit with this RCF and save to the text. And then okay, you're starting dev server, my React, and then dev white. Okay, so this is here. This is your folder. We have the RC folder, then a folder inside. We have start the name.js files, and then get started. So you see all the sections like get, and then save to the text, edit. So this is here. Get started, edit RCF and save to the text. HMR count is equal to 1. So let's, here I'm going to remove all that, and then I want to show here the basic example. Okay, so first thing, what congratulations, your React project is ready. In the next lectures, I think in this lecture I'm going to explain all that. So this is how we can do that. This is here, you have to remove all that necessary code. This is here, no need of discount. Just it is a inside here React h1, and then hello React, and you see it is a hello React. Now it is working here. Okay, so okay, this is all about your styles. Here if you remove it, then you see how it's look. Refresh it. Okay, React logo. This is your app.css files, and then main css. Okay, so comment, and now you see how it looks. Here it is in Node.js files. So you see how it's look, and then let's put some styles here. This is style, it is equal to color black, and then it is still not visible because of something main.css. This is here app assets, we have assets. This is public folder. So I'm going to comment all this. Similarly for the dot css and how it looks. Okay, so here you have to click internet and then go to the cd and your folder's name. What is this? We have here my React app. So cd my React and then app, then npm run there. Now that is fine, it's working, and then let me press it. It is Okay, let me remove. I mean use app.css. Then here main.css. Let me remove wallets. Okay, now you see it's work. Okay, make sure that here you rip dot index.js files, index.js files, and then m.css files, and then here you can put any styles. Style is equal to color that is in the red. Okay, so now it's working here. So you have to remove wallet and then styles. Got it. This is your h1 hello react, and here you have set everything for the react type. So in the next lecture we will work on the JSX. Okay, what is JSX in the React? So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.